Today we are going to see how to create a mega menu using the JetMenu plugin. Go to Plugins, upload the JetMenu plugin, then install and activate it. Once the plugin is activated, hover over Appearance and click on Menus. Hover over the menu item where you want to add the mega menu and click on Settings. Turn on the Use Mega Content switch, select Page Builder as the mega content type, then click on Edit Mega Content. Here, you'll design the mega menu exactly the way you want it to look. Once the design is complete, save it and close the editor. Click Save here. Select the location where you want the menu to be displayed. I want to display the menu in the header, so I'm going to edit the header. Search for menu in the search bar. Drag and drop the mega menu widget to the desired location. Select the menu. Now style the menu design as you like. Once the styling is complete, click Save. Now visit the site to check if the mega menu is displaying. Wow, it's showing perfectly. Here, you just need to link the two services to two separate pages. Since I don't have service pages right now, I haven't added the links. You can add them as you like.